have anybody in your world that's really hard to interpret, hard to deal with? You just find yourself always misreading them? I've got something for you on this. I've certainly had this before, and I've seen it on my teams that I coach and work with. Hi, everybody. My name is Bill Gallagher, scaling coach, host of the Scaling Up Business podcast. We do tips, deep dives, interviews with gurus, stories from the front line, getting real conversations with entrepreneurs. And we've got hundreds of those. Wherever you get your podcast, audio, or video content, you'll find us there with the Scaling Up Business podcast. You can also go to our own website and search that entire back catalog to find something that helps you deal with what you're dealing with right now in your world. So you'll find all that at scalingcoach.com. Anyway, so I remember a woman that was in a workshop with me, an extended, a long form workshop, and I saw her with her arms crossed and her body kind of hunched over, slumped down in her chair, and she looked upset. She looked upset the whole time, and I was really concerned about her stress, her well-being, that kind of thing, interpreting her body language. And I just really felt like it was almost a distraction to me. And so at the next break opportunity, when I had a chance to go check in, first I asked the other people supporting me in the room, hey, what do you notice about that gal? Like, what is there? I was almost afraid to confront her about it. But they said, oh, they'd noticed a little bit too. So I went to her and I said, hey, how you doing? What's going on? Well, she just opened up. Now that I was speaking to her directly, she like really opened up and talked about how inspiring this was and how connected she was and how my stories and examples were resonating with her and how I'm like, wow, you look really like, I hate to say this, but you look tired. And she said, oh, yeah, I am really, really tired. And I haven't had a lot of sleep. My back's hurting me and all that. Here's the thing I notice. We get a lot invested in our ability to read and interpret people. And sometimes we're just plain wrong. Sometimes people say the wrong things. We misread it. Sometimes people even lie. Sometimes there's other things going on. Maybe they've got some indigestion. Maybe they didn't sleep a lot last night. Who knows what? But if you overweight your judgments, assessments, opinions of things, you'll end up buying into and misreading clues that in some other situation might. So got to go confirm and check things. Don't read people at a surface level. Don't assume you know what's going on. Actually check in and connect. Look, if she'd been really off in something, we'd have actually formed a connection in that moment. She wasn't off, and we deepened our connection in that moment also because I actually showed some curiosity and interest in who and how she was and what was going on with her. I remain friends with her to this day. At a distance, but that was many years ago, and we're still connected. I see this again and again with my teams. You got to go check in with people. Sometimes it's just the way people present or something else they're going through that you might be misreading, and it might get in the way of having a great relationship. Hope that's helpful for you. Like, subscribe, get these things every week. Give us a review if you like. Thanks. Keep scaling up. Talk to you next time.